Message received. Do you want to hear it? Message received. Do you want to hear it?
Star 1013 has your chance to win $1,000.
Message
Just enter
received.
to win at this
Do you want
nationwide
to hear
keyword
it?
on our website.
It's cash. That's cash. Enter it now at 1013.com.
So new year, new fashion trends in the news. I'm not so sure about some of these, but let's see, Sisney. What's going to be hot in 2024? What are they saying?
White on white on white on white. White is here to stay. So that whole rule, white after Labor Day, is not a rule.
It's not practical because
not.
you will stain it on your way into work.
Wear a white shirt with a white blazer or white vest, like how Tanya's doing today, with white pants and white shoes and white everything. So white on white is the look. Short suits. Picture like a pantsuit, but instead of pants, it's shorts.
Message received.
And then the blazer
Do you
on
want to
top,
hear it?
and then maybe all one color, because that works.
For men too, or just women?
You know, I feel like a man could rock this look.
I don't know.
In this case, it was all women, but I put on a short suit on Max, and it looked adorable.
Well, on kids, it looks great.
Yeah.
Church in a short suit.
Full skirts. So think of the maxi skirts, which we all love. They are here to stay. I feel like they'll never really go away. But now think volume. So the fuller, the better with these skirts. This last one, I don't know if I can get behind it, but it's the no pants look. You just wear little briefs.
Message
And it's
received.
either like a sheer
Do you want to hear
dress
it?
all the way down, or it's just the top with it, or you're just wearing an oversized shirt and it's just booty showing. I love no pants.
Hanes? Like Hanes?
Not Hanes. It's more of like a very tailored brief, like a micro short. It matches the outfit. It's part of the outfit.
I don't think briefs look good on me.
If not, maybe not for you. Okay.
Well, it's for sure not for me. That's why I'm here saying it's not.
On air. Built by the Home Depot.
Whatever your project throws at you with the Home Depot app, doing doesn't miss a beat. It'll find what you need in a snap, and it'll show you how to find it in store with a tap. Download the Home Depot app today.
On air with Ryan Seacrest.
Star 1013. Star 1013.
Oh no, I don't have. Yeah, I don't have cash. Oh no, I just can't. Yeah. Nope, I'm not doing that. You're not homeless. Stop playing. Yeah, I don't play that game with people pretending to be homeless. Sorry. Get your fake ass self away from me. I was going to see if I can get the Dave Cinco.
What's that?
The Dave Cinco.
Combo, just a sandwich.
I'll do the combo.
Message received. Do you want to
Oh,
hear it?
a Diet Coke.
The Diet Coke.
Uh-huh.
And was that something that's a large?
No, I think I'm okay.
Okay. Anything else I can for you?
That's it.
That'll be it. Can you send the cookie or frosty there?
Oh, no, I'm good. Thank you.
Then 7 that window.
Thanks. Okay. Oh, there we go. Don't want to hit the wall over here. It's this really bad layout, too. Complain about nothing over there. No, I'm not buying you no dumb. Nothing. Sorry. On my way home from work. Not buying you a damn thing.
Message received. Do you want to hear it?
Oh yeah. Okay. No. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Me. Put that down here.
No pueden estar en el teléfono. No pueden estar
Thank
jugando
you.
juegos. No pueden estar Kikiki allá atrás. Porque yo sí le voy a decir.
Thank you.
Yo sí les voy a decir. Ay, váyanse para allá enfrente.
Okay, thank you.
Don't pay for water. Pay for clean.
Oh,
if
it's
it's
gonna
gotta
be a
be clean,
nightmare,
it's gotta be
but
Tide Pods.
it's
Water
okay.
content based on the leading bargain liquid detergent.
Okay, it's
I tried to quit smoking cigarettes probably hundreds of times over the years. 2 or 3 days into quitting again, I go get into a
Message
vehicle,
received.
and guess what?
Do you
There's a
want
pack
to
of
hear it?
cigarettes in there. I mean, I've got the unlit cigarette in my hand, and I said to myself, why do I even try to quit when
It's
if I'm
not
going to cave
fun.
so easily every time? Something clicked in my head that told me I can do this.
Every attempt is part of your story to quit for good. Visit Kick It California today at kickitca.org.
This is Lane Schiffman of Shreve & Company. Lane is a member of the 4th generation of his family committed to preserving the highest standards and the finest quality of jewelry in America. From San Francisco and Palo Alto to Greensboro, North Carolina. You've told us that you prefer high standards and fine quality. You have kept true craftsmanship alive in America. From our family to yours, thank you. Thank you from 5 generations.
Shreve & Company, 150 Post off Union Square and in Palo Alto, perfectly situated in the Stanford Shopping Center.
For too long, I've waited around on medical appointments for me and my family. But now that Prime offers 24/7 virtual care through One Medical, I decide when our visit starts. It seems we're not so different, them and I.
Message received. Do you want to hear it?
I think it's supposed to be daylight.
I think you're supposed to be resting while I text with the doctor right now. Smart little minion.
Your Care Team on call. A new add-on from Prime.
Hi, I'm Vanessa Bayer, and this is my brother Jonah.
We're two siblings who love to talk about our childhood and nostalgia and how it shaped us into the people we are today.
We're absolutely thrilled that the 3rd season of our podcast, How Did We Get Weird, is now out on your listening wherever you listen.
Check out episodes we've done with Will Ferrell, Jenny Slate,
Weird Al Yankovic,
Jason Isbell.
Keenan Thompson.
The list goes on and on.
Be totally tubular and listen to How Did We Get Weird on Will Ferrell's Big Money Players Network on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your podcasts.
Star 1013 Bay Area traffic.
A crash on the Sonoma grade, northbound 680, right before 84 West. A truck and 2 cars involved. You're backed up from Sheridan. A 3-car wreck cleared in San Jose, north 880 before the Alameda. A delay from the 280-17 interchange, costing you 5 to 10 minutes.
This report
Message
is
received.
sponsored by
Do you want to hear it?
Kids. Pure Z's Kids is mindfully formulated for kids with an optimal level of melatonin to help them gently fall asleep naturally. It's 100% drug-free and available in delicious gummies and liquid. Try Pure Z's Kids tonight.
This is Star 1013 with more variety from the 2000s.
From the 90s.
Oh, great. Stupid bumper. Oh. See what's going on with that. I did not do that before.
Thanks for
I
listening, Bay
hate this.
Area. On
I
your
hate
radio,
this city
on
so
Alexa,
much.
and anytime at Star 1013 on the free iHeartRadio app.
Oh, this city is so annoying. I just saw a shadow over here walking on the fence. Creepy. I'm starting to see things. I shouldn't be seeing anything. That is creepy that I'm seeing things I shouldn't be seeing. Very creepy. Okay.